In this video we are going to take a look at Recycle Bin on Windows and a tool to examine it, Rifiuti2. On modern operating systems, files are not permanently deleted on a first instance, unless the user explicitly do so. Instead, they are first moved to the recycle bin or trash, depending on the operating system, and can then be restored in its original locations or permanently deleted when the recycle bin is emptied. The data blocks are left untouched and are not marked as free until the files remains in the recycle bin. On Windows XP systems and earlier, deleted files are moved into the root directory recycler folder, into subfolders named after the security identifiers of the users. The original file names, paths and deletion times are stored in an index file called info2. Windows Vista and newer stores deleted files into a hidden recycle bin folder with the same subfolders structure as on Windows XP, but information about the files are not stored in info2 files anymore. Instead, it's stored in a pair of files for each deleted file whose names begin with $I and $R. The first type is an index file that stores the original information, while the latter type contains a copy of the deleted file. Rifiuti2 is a tool installed on Kali Linux that allows to examine the contents of the recycle bin. Indeed, rifiuti is an Italian word that means trash. Rifiuti2 is made up of two tools: Rifiuti to analyze info2 files and Rifiuti Vista to analyze the new recycle bin files on Windows Vista and newer. The usage of Rifiuti is straightforward. We simply run the tool giving a sample info2 file as the unique parameter. The output displays for each file in the recycle bin. It shows the deleted time, the original path, and the size. Rifiuti Vista is instead usually executed to scan and analyze the recycle bin folder. The recycle bin subfolders are named with the security identifier of the user. We ran the tool on this sample folder, and we can see that the output is very similar to that of Rifiuti with the info2 file, because it displays the index, the deleted time, the size, and the original path of each file.
Now we cover another tool to parse and analyze recycle bin artifacts, which is called RBCmd. It's a Windows command line tool that is part of the EZ-Tools suite, developed by Eric Zimmerman, that includes various utilities to analyze several types of Windows artifacts. The EZ-Tools can be downloaded on Eric Zimmerman's GitHub page. You can download any single tool you are interested in, for example, in this case, the RBCmd command, using the links provided that depend on the version of .NET that you have installed on your Windows system. Or you can download all the tools at once using this script get Zimmermann tools. I have already downloaded and installed all the tools in this folder. So to execute the command, we open a command prompt and we change to the directory, to the installation directory. Then we execute the command using the help option to display the various options and how to use the command. We see that the most important options are the F option to specify an Rifiuti2 file to parse and to analyze, and the D option that scans a given directory to search and to search for Rifiuti2 files to analyze. Then we can specify the CSV option to give the program the directory where to save the output formatted as a CSV file. To display its practical usage, we run the command against a directory that contains recycle bin artifacts from an old Windows XP system. So we execute the command with the D option, specifying the directory. And the CSV option with the directory to save the output file to. We see that the command has executed correctly and the output has been saved on the desktop. So we open the output file. We can see all the deleted files that were contained in this user's recycle bin, with the original path and file name, the file size, and the date and time when they were deleted. Thank you for watching.